The Good Morning Britain presenter is taking a 2-week break from the show, while Susanna Reid is also off for half-term to spend time with her children. In Piers' place will be Richard Madeley and Jeremy Kyle, and fans were fuming with today's stand-in. The newly engaged Jeremy Kyle show host presented alongside Kate Garraway, who is replacing Susanna. People didn't seem to have a problem with Susanna's stand-in, though couldn't help share their disapproval of Jeremy. One person said, "You Jeremy Kyle hosting GMB? I'm turning off and going to the dark side BBC One until Piers Morgan is back." Quote, Susanna Reid flaunts her figure. English journalist Susanna Reid makes everyone's mornings a little better. Check out her best photos here. 1/59 Instagram. Susanna Reid flaunts her figure on Instagram. Another asked, "Ugh, Jeremy, was no one else available? Charlotte? Ben? Not even El the weatherman?" Quote, a third added, "Please hurry home, Piers Morgan. I've just woken up to Jeremy Kyle and it's unbearable. Oh my eyes. Rather stick hot pics in them." BBC News it is got, quote, "But other were loving the fresh face, though seemed torn over whether or not to admit it. Right. I can't it in. I'm loving Jeremy Kyle on GMB. Imagine having a Jezza and Piers Morgan GMB together," one viewer tweeted. Good Morning Britain presenter Kate Garraway. Good Morning Britain presenter Kate Garraway shows off her curves. 1/32 BBC/Instagram. A second wrote, "The completely legend JK the hosting GMB today. Gutted I have to go to work." Quote, and someone else said, "Anyone else think that Jeremy Kyle is actually really good at grilling politicians? I really want to see him interview the PM." Jeremy, 52, is set to marry his 36-year-old girlfriend and former nanny to his children Vicky Burton. Jeremy Kyle. Craziest moments. The Jeremy Kyle show turns 10 this year, so let's take a look at the weird and often not so wonderful characters who have graced the morning show. 1/18 The craziest moments from the Jeremy Kyle show. The couple went public with their relationship last year, following Kyle's split from his second wife Carla Germain. He spoke of his romance with Vicky on Loose Women in 2017, saying, "I'm very happy, new relationship, new chapter. Thank you very much, let's get on with our lives." Quote, Good Morning Britain airs weekdays at 6 a.m. on. Related articles. The Walking Dead Season 9, to see main character make shock exit. Jersey Shore is back for reunion series, including forgotten cast member. Survival of the fittest house revealed. 12 sexy singles living in South African luxury